Hi, and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Happy to have you. Today we are going to go into Paradise Delivered. This box did not go through Paradise, I can guarantee you that. Look at this. It was crunched, munched, and punched. So let's hope the things inside don't look as bad as the box. It even says on the front, received in damaged condition. So I don't know where the damage came from. But it makes it a little hard to show you the inside because the box is really darn near falling apart. Okay, so open it up, and the card is always on the top with the values, and I appreciate that because I like to know I'm getting my money's worth. All right, paradise isn't a place, it is a feeling. I agree, yeah. Okay, let's get right into it. First thing I see is a hat that almost kind of matches my shirt. Goodness, with waves on the front. Cute, totally something I would wear on the beach. Nice, adjustable in the back, and I love the color. Bend the brim a little bit and be set for the beach come Thanksgiving. It can't come soon enough. So the hat, let's see. This is by Blue Revival, and it is Ripple Baseball Hat. And it's talking about avoiding harmful UV rays, which makes complete sense. And a value of $26. The print is really tiny, I'm gonna give it a go. It says, avoid harmful UV rays and look great while doing it with this durable vintage washed style baseball hat. Produced using premium cotton for a comfortable and luxurious look and feel. Use the adjustable metal back closure to ensure the most comfortable fit. Well, I know this is going in my beach bag for sure. All right, and $26 for a baseball cap? Yeah, that makes perfect sense. Yeah, I love this box. It just keeps reminding me that I will be seeing the beach soon. I will. Every month when I get the box, I'm a month closer to seeing the beach. All right, next item, let's see. Hand Defense by Spongella. Hand wash infused buffer. Oh, how cool. Let's open this up. Okay, Hand Defense infused buffer. So I'm sure we've all seen the Spongellas that we use in the showers that are foam and they're infused with our soap. So this is for washing your hands. Real just basic white. It smells, okay, it says thyme and tea tree oils. And that's what's going to be the Hand Defense. Those two oils are antibacterial oils. It smells clean, but it smells disinfecting all at the same time. All right, let's see what they say about this. Hand Defense infused buffer, $16. This all-in-one hand wash infused buffer featuring tea tree oil and thyme essential oil is the most effective in removing germs and dirt than soap alone. The buffer is dual-sided for a deeper cleansing action. Use the rough side to scrub and the soft side to buff. Dermatologist tested, vegan, cruelty-free, and effective on all skin types. And it says you should get at least 40 hand washes out of this. That's awesome. I like that. That's really different. I'm familiar with their products, but I didn't know they did these. All right, next item in the box. Looks like nothing really got harmed. Everything is maybe a tiny squish, but not bad. Okay, You and Oil, carrot, broccoli, chai. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's open it up and see. It is a value of $47. Carrot, broccoli, chai, superfood for the skin. All right. Now this said it was a value of, what did I say? $47. And this box is $39.99. This oil alone gives me value back for what I've spent on the box. All right, and this oil, your skin craves food. This highly nutritive serum made with carrot, broccoli, and chai brings together a perfect balance of vitamins A, C, E, and fatty acids to help reverse the signs of aging through antioxidant superfood properties. Strengthen the skin's natural barrier to help repair dryness on the skin surface and maintain hydration. And now this is, it says it's a 30 ml bottle, so 1 fluid ounce. I'm looking forward to trying that out. I like oils for the face. All right, then we've got a couple more pieces in here. All right, this would appear to be jewelry. Okay, let's pull it out and see. Oh, very cool. Ooh, that's really cool. Wow, here, let me show you that. And it is silver toned, all layered pieces. I believe it's one necklace. Yes, it's one necklace and layered. I dig that. It's costume jewelry and me don't get along. I break out, so I can wear it for just a short period of time. So I might gift this. Vertical Collective Celestial Lariat Necklace. Value of $54. Yet if it's good quality, costume jewelry can be almost just as expensive as good quality jewelry. This chic, versatile, silver-plated, long layered necklace offers an easy-to-wear, stylish look featuring 4-strand layers with a round hammered pendant and a celestial moon charm. I love it. That is really neat. And this is very on trend, is the layering of necklaces, so they're spot on with their jewelry. Okay. Then we've got at least, oh gosh, we've got a couple more things to get through here. Now this may have gotten beat up through the process of mailing. So this is a snack. Let's see, scrumptious homestyle fruit tarts. Buttery crust with cherry filling. Homestyle original product. Okay, let's see. Scrumptious homestyle fruit tart, $4. Enjoy this delicious fresh baked fruit tart with a buttery crust and real cherry filling. Okay, I think that's something I'm gonna let the husband have. He loves cherries. Okay, what else do we have? What is this? What in the world? Oh, it's a phone grip. Here, let me see if you can get to see this. You see how the woman is holding her phone? Well, this black piece goes onto the back of your phone and allows you to hang on to your phone a little easier. I will be using this for sure. I like that. They have a lot of those pops that you can put on the back of your phone, but I like this better. Okay, love handle, phone grip, value of $10. I would have thought more. The Love Handle phone grip will adhere to any smartphone device using a strong but removable peel and stick adhesive and will leave no residue behind. Love Handle features a slim profile, pocket-friendly design and enables users to comfortably hold their phone without dropping it. And that's what I liked about this is those pops, when I go to stick it in my back pocket, it gets hung up on the pop. And if you don't know what the pop is, you'll have to look it up and see, and maybe I'll find a little picture of one and I'll show you and I'll insert it here somewhere. But I like this. This is more streamlined for the back pocket. Okay. 2 more items to go. And this is a makeup drop. The original silicone beauty applicator. Let me take it out of here to show you. And I believe this is to put your foundation on. You put your fingers through the back side. You put your foundation on here and you put it on. Yep. Okay, let's read a little bit about it. Makeup drop. Body edition. Oh, $20. Okay. It says flawlessly apply all of your liquid and cream skincare and makeup products I never thought to use this to put on my skincare. I just use my fingers, but this is probably a little more sanitary, as long as there's proper procedures to clean this. Okay. Non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free silicone. Beauty applicator designed for use on the face or body. Makeup Drop is the go-to applicator for many beauty experts and celebrities. All right, very cool. Paradise Delivered is the name of the box. This doesn't say paradise to me. Unless I was putting on a body bronzer, and that would say be paradise to me, getting bronzed up. I don't know. Ha! All right, one more thing, and I think it looks like makeup. It's Bang Beauty. Okay, where is it on the card? Bang Beauty. Warm, neutral, eyeshadow palette. Okay, $29 value. Whether you're going for the light, everyday look or the deep nighttime smoky eye. Okay, let's open this up so I can show this to you. Oh, those are some nice, really nice colors for the fall. That's quite timely. Very nice. Okay. This versatile palette will help you achieve endless looks and includes both shimmers and mattes. Let's see once. Let's see if I can swatch some of these for you. Ooh, they're heavily pigmented too. Wow. Okay. Those were the shimmers. These you're not going to see very good. Let me see if I can get a better job of this here. See, now the shimmers seem to be way more pigmented than the flats. I don't know if you can see that. My hand's a little shiny, but you can see those colors. Let me roll up my sleeve, and we've got 3 more colors to do. Got nothing else to do, right? We're just gonna look at some eyeshadow colors. And there are the last 3 colors. So one is a black, one is a good, nice brown, and then you've got a really cool looking orange color here. That's beautiful. Well, I love the array of products that they do send. We've got some skincare, we've got UV care, which is probably the most important in the summertime. And then we've got a snack, which, hey, who doesn't want a snack? And then something to keep our our hands clean. And then a little bit of makeup, and I don't know about this. I've not used one of these, and I never really thought I was gonna dive into it, but I will give this a go, see how it works out. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I've really appreciated this. So if you have any questions, please comment below and let me know if you've used this. Tell me how you feel about it, and what your thoughts are, and especially how you clean this. I have no idea how to clean this. Please let me know. It would be my honor for you to join my little family here on YouTube and subscribe, hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate your time today. Thanks so much, and take care.